Welcome back to Product Bakar. Today we are tackling a bold statement. Why every product will be an AI product. Sounds like a hype, maybe. But if you zoom out and look at how technology evolves, it's not just likely, it's inevitable. And as product managers, the sooner we understand this shift, the better prepared we will be to ride the wave instead of being drowned by it. Let's unwind a bit. A decade ago, every product became a mobile product. If you weren't on mobile, you weren't relevant. Then every product became a cloud product. On premise wasn't enough. Next, every product became a data product. We all started tracking analytics, usage, and engagement. And now the same thing is happening with AI. The pattern is very simple. Once a technology gets cheap, accessible, and powerful, it stops being a feature. It becomes the default fabric of how products are built. And that's where AI is today. So, how does this play out? Let's look at three levels where products evolve into AI products. First, invisible AI, which is behind the scenes. Think fraud detection, spam filters, or search ranking. Users don't see AI, but it quietly powers the experience. For example, Gmail's spam folder. No one calls it an AI product, but that's exactly what make it work. Second is assistive AI, which is in the workflow. This is where AI shows up in the interface. For example, autocomplete, recommendations, and summaries. Example, Notion AI suggesting text or LinkedIn drafting a message for you. AI is a visible assistant woven into the user journey. And third is autonomous AI, owning the outcome, the boldest stage of AI. AI doesn't just assist, it reacts. For example, self driving cars, AI agents buying and negotiating on your behalf. The product itself is AI first, not just AI enhanced. Most products today are somewhere between invisible and assistive, but the trajectory is very clear. More and more will cross into autonomous. So, if every product will be an AI product, what does that mean for us as product managers? First, AI will be a baseline expectation. Just like mobile friendly became table stakes, AI features will too. Users won't ask, does this app use AI? They'll just expect smarter, faster, and more personalized experiences. Second, competition will be refined. If your product doesn't leverage AI, your competitor will. Imagine a CRM that automatically logs, predicts, and drafts communication versus one that doesn't. Who wins? And third is product managers need to lead the transition layer. Our role isn't to train models, it's to translate AI's capabilities into user value. We need to know where does AI create differentiation? Where does it just keeps us in the game? The mindset shift is this. Stop thinking should we use AI and start thinking what happens if we don't. So here is the takeaway. Every product from SaaS to healthcare to e-commerce will eventually become an AI product. Some quietly, some loudly, but all inevitably. As product managers, our job is to anticipate that curve, to design not just for the users of today, but for the AI infused workflows of tomorrow. This was Product Bakar episode 4 of AI Seasons, why every product will become an AI product. Follow the show if you haven't already and share this with another product manager who still thinks AI is just another feature. Trust me, they'll thank you later. See you in the next episode, AI as a feature versus AI as a product.